Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your POCO C40. So in order to do this, open up your Google Play Store. Here we want to find app. It's Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. You can set up for data sharing preferences or not. And from here we can already start browsing, so let's open any website, and as you can see, it works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.